How to blur background in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go over and click our clip here, and then we're going to head over to effects, and we're going to go ahead and look for Gaussian blur effect. We're going to go ahead and add it into our video. Afterwards, here on the effect controls, look for the Gaussian blur that you have added, and then make sure that your playhead is at the beginning. Now we're going to go ahead and click this one here, and we're going to go ahead and start masking our object or person in this case. Now the mask that you are going to do here doesn't have to be very perfect. However, just try to make it as close as possible to the object or to the person. Alright, so now that we are done masking it, we can go back here to our effect controls. Again, make sure that the playhead is at the beginning. Click mask path, and then we're going to go ahead and click this one here in order to mask our object forward. Now, another thing, by the way, the success rate of masking your object this way is going to be higher if the object and the background is going to have high contrast in color, similar to what I have here. Now, we can go back here to the beginning. Let's go ahead and click mask, and then we can go ahead and basically forward this one in order for us to make sure that we got it right. Okay, seems like the mask is right. Now we're going to go ahead and add blur here. So say for example, we're going to add about that 37, and then we're going to hit the inverted one here in order for our background to be the one that has a blur instead. Alright, now that we have already added some blurriness here, we can go ahead and basically zoom this in, let's say to about 150, because we are just going to check something here. Now adjust the mask feather and adjust the mask expansion here as well. So if we can go back here, let's play it. There you go, and that is how to blur background in Premiere Pro.